Alright, y'all, we back with another video. You feel me? We just pulled up to the car meet. We got a whole bunch of beats coming through already. Somebody's music was so loud that they set off the car when I was over there. So, you feel me? We about to get some sick content. I just that's going crazy. But I just copped some meta glasses, y'all, so the content about to go crazy, man. So make sure y'all follow the IG. Okay. Huh? Nope. All right, bet. Yo. Nah, that sounds crazy, bro. A lot better than last time? Yo, a lot better. Bro, that's mean, bro. Bro, I can only imagine when you rev it. Like, right. Bro, that, oh my gosh. Nah, now you motivating me, bro. Now I gotta step my game up, bro. It sounds mad exotic. I love it, bro. I love it. Word. Fire. Y'all, so we at the meet, you feel me, bro? Mass is cooked, but I'm not even gonna lie, it's a home game for us, y'all. So like, we got the advantage, you feel me? They coming to us, so it's a pleasure to see people taking a picture of my car, like in front of my car. It's like so motivating. Like, it just makes me want to keep pushing further and cop that McLaren, man. Vet, I ain't gonna lie, I feel like the vet lineup should be in front though, but hey, man. Hey man, say man, I guess we came first, so I guess we in the back. The later you come is the better, I guess. Snap, okay. They got some heat right here with the Lambo doors. Alright, y'all. Carbon fiber hood though. I ain't gonna lie, I mess with it. And look at that turbo. Yo, if water getting that, it's over. It's over. Like, if you drive that on a rainy day, bro, that's soaking up nothing but water, bro. Straight into the engine, bro. That turbo is tough, though. I ain't gonna lie. That's super tough. Or Mitsubishi, man. Mitsubishi do it different, though. I ain't gonna lie. They always got the craziest build. Here we go, chat. Here we go. I was ready too, bro. But y'all, so I'm about to trade my Insta360 X4 for this X5 with these people I just met, like, what, 15 minutes ago? Word, but they might get everything, the mount and the camera, so y'all getting a deal, low-key, I ain't gonna lie. Alright, chat, I'm gonna do it, chat, man. Let me know in the comment section below if I made the wrong decision, though. I ain't gonna lie, I wanna hear y'all comments, you feel me? So I'm gonna be gap camless, bro.
Alright. For 3 days.
For 3 days.
It's only 3 days. Only 3. You do express shipping too, probably get a day. You know how TikTok is.
Oh.
We got a brand new X5. We got traded for the now and the X4.
And the X4, bro.
We got it yesterday. We got yesterday.
It is brand new, though.
Let me ask that.
I want to.
You need the mount now.
We asked him to buy the mount.
I asked him to buy it for $80.
No.
I said 100. He said no.
Where's the rest?
Where's
the rest of the game?
Rest of the what? Yeah, bro.
Is it a better camera?
It is definitely a better camera, though. I ain't gonna lie. Yeah, record this transaction, bro. Oh my gosh, man, my mount gone, man. My mount gone, chat.
Oh, ain't that shit easy to put on?
Damn. That's it, man. Appreciate you, bro. You trying to follow the gram at least, bro?
I got you.
I guess you can call it water ice. Wait, what did y'all get? I got the mango.
How's the mango?
Or, okay. How was it tasting before I taste it?
Good.
Good? I don't know how I'm gonna eat and record at the same time, but we're gonna make it work. You feel me? Let's see.
You got one of those that you can put the phone on your chest.
Right. You know what? We actually got an expensive table. Alex, we got an expensive table, bro. Get it?
Yeah, bro. The wings, yeah.
All right, bro. You wanna go?
We got an expensive table, not me.
All right. Well, I'm gonna go to that expensive table real quick, y'all. All right, bro. Yeah. Y'all, we enjoying the water ice. You feel me? On top of the expensive table, a very expensive table, but hey, man, a table is a table. You feel me? But yeah, man, the meat is definitely a vibe right now. You feel me? I'm about to show y'all each individual car, or not each individual car, but like 90% of every car that's here right now. Give y'all a quick snippet of the beast and the calm builds. You feel me? But yeah, y'all. Fast forward to that. Blow the engine. Not care about that.
You gotta let it warm up. That's loud as hell.
Right. Man.
Leave it off for a little bit, and then
Yeah.
Them revving.
Well, 500 mile oil changes?
Huh?
500 mile oil changes?
Every week.
Every week, right? Gotcha.
And a change of plugs.
Word. Nah, I respect it, man. I love the type. It's a manual, right? Word. Yes, sir. Oh, you going back at it? You going back at it? Oh, yeah, here we go.
You gotta let it warm up for a little bit.
He's trying to one-up you. They trying to one-up me, chat. They trying to one-up me. Oh, yeah. Yes. All right, that's it. That sounds so good, chat. That sounds... It's kicking up so much dust from that exhaust. Bro, that thing got all over my eye. Nah, he was dumb, right? Word. Nah. Damn, my car's gonna need a wash now, bro. Look at all this dust that got on it. Damn. It is what it is, man. Gotta sacrifice it, I guess. Well, my fault, bro. I can speak through. Yo. Look how dusty my car got now.
Still fat, not lying.
Bro, that's crazy. Bugging. Yeah. Oh, I forgot my charger. Appreciate it, man. Yeah, I definitely gonna need a wash now, for sure. Why she waiting on my car for? I'm about to rev this shit. Again. Oh. Keep revving it again, man. Everybody leaving. Everybody leaving. Shit, everybody leaving to go see that Q50, man. Yes, sir. Hey, man, GG's. Bro, wiping down his car. I gotta do the same thing, man. Cause my vet is dirty. Look at this. Yo, is this not purpose? Yo, that's crazy, bro.
Yeah, I know. They got him worse.
Yeah. Stingray, right here. This is tough. Then the Hellcat. You feel me? This is our lineup, by the way. This is our crew going straight down, including that purple Chrysler over there. We all together. So, we finna get some reactions. Not only some reactions, we finna cut up on the highway, y'all. So stay tuned, man. No cap. When we leave here, I'm gonna see if I can get some film. No cap. Yes, sir. W Mans. W. I can pull it up. Oh, we see. Yes, sir. Nah, I like the pipe. You feel me? Cold here? Cold here, right? Yep. Fire, man, fire. Yep, I'm about to get that right now. Fire. Nah, fire, bro, fire.
Here's your fire. You going to the meet, right?
Yeah, I'll follow y'all. Bro, I lost my order, but hey,
I know, though. Your sister clean.
Word. Thank you. Everybody running. Everybody running, man. What are they running to? Look at this. My boy Dre.
What up, buddy?
Chilling?
Yeah, bro. No cap.
Yeah, bro, nah, facts. Bro, we owe a crew right now. All of us down this line, we about to go crazy on the highway after this.
Where, bro?
Alright.
Try to race my boy?
What you got?
Yo, Trey.
What you got, buddy?
Run it. Corvette, bro.
Been there, done that.
Been there, done that. Okay. Now I like this though. What you got? What you got, brody? Nah, bro, this is cause content. I was already filming.
It's definitely
He don't want to be on camera?
it's not like that.
Alright.
I just ain't beat. But nah, what's it called? My shit over there. I got a beat.
You got a Beamer?
Yeah, already.
Bro, you know, listen. My next car will be a Beamer.
And fuck.
Hellcats are revving. Of course, when I turn the camera on, they stop revving. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Alright, y'all, we at the after meet. I'm sorry if it's mad dark, but there's not much going on. You feel me? We got mad cars over here, though. I ain't gonna lie. We got mad cars over here. Gotta clear out? Okay. Alright. So we gotta go.
I feel like they would have been maybe they just had a spot.
These. Got the cops, man.
Guys, you gotta go. The mall doesn't want you on their property. It's private property. What is that?
Yo, why his voice sound like that though? Yo, I'm sorry, bro. You laugh, bro. You laugh. You're not.
One organized meets.
M4. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Love you.
Yes, sir. Where are we off to?
We're off to the turnpike. You know what I'm saying?
Word?
Yeah.
Said that's where we were gonna go one time, right?
Yeah. Wait, oh, yeah. Yo, they catching somebody, y'all. Yo. Damn, like 7 cops deep. Man, this is Waterbury, y'all. Waterbury. Dirty water. Crazy.
Yeah,
Oh, they coming still. Yeah, recording. Keep recording. Right. Yo.
Alright.
Nah, Waterbury crazy. Oh, get behind me.
Y'all gotta drive safe. Y'all know they chasing motherfuckers.
Oh, I thought you were gonna be on my back. Be on my back, please.
Bro, you right here. I got you.
Chat, I spilled a drink on me. And now it looks like I pissed my pants. But now we getting this content real quick, y'all. Okay. So this is what we got, man. You know anything about this? It's the car you want? Where, man? Turbocharged, carbon fiber roof. Nah, that's tough. Got the Corvette. The Vet, man. Vet on Vet. Sir, man. This is the Berwyn Turnpike, y'all. This is where all the street races be at. But it's 12 o'clock in the night, so ain't nothing going on for real. Let's see what's down here, bro. Yo, what's this? Oh, I thought this was what's his name. It isn't. What?
Yo, you heard that shit, bro?
Black-
Black dude gets out.
Blackwing gets out? No, bro, that's a car though. Blackwing?
No, he said black dude gets
Oh.
out.
That's what he said? That's crazy. This straight, bro. They racist as hell. They racist as hell. They looking at us. Shit. Straight, bro. Alright, y'all. We finna dip, go home type shit. We got a car meet in the morning. So, back-to-back car meets, bro.
Sir.
Yes, sir, man. You about to be featured twice on the channel in 2 videos, back-to-back.
Earned it, right?
Yes, sir. Yeah, my boy right here, man. We thugged it out, man. We made it to the end of the day type shit. Cops were on dick at the end, though. So I put the real plates on. Nigga, this the real plates right here, bro.
Yeah, they try to bully us for a second, bro. I
Exactly.
ain't get it on the clip, bro.
Yep.
Dude try to bully us, bro.
Yep.
You seen the black plates on.
Right.
We changed it.
Yeah.
Got the new one on. And it was like, oh, I told you guys to put the right plates on.
Exactly.
Man, it's content, though.
Yeah, it's content.